Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Madam, as you are visiting today this Satlok Ashram Commando Punjab right now, so how are you feeling first of all?
It's a very divine feeling being over here, and that's why I never say no to it. And whenever they organize such like camps, when you see what's happening here, then you really wonder why not outside the walls. Within the walls, it is heaven. Outside the walls, why does it turn into hell? Here people are so giving, they're giving blood, they're donating their bodies, they're helping each other, they're listening to Bani by Sant Kabir ji, and Sant Rampal ji is doing such an amazing work by helping everyone around in every way. The spiritual enlightenment is the best thing you can give to anyone. Once you are spiritually enlightened, you will never go wrong in your life. That's the main thing. The same blood runs through each and everyone's body. How are we different from each other? It is one world and one family, nothing else. There is no religion whatsoever except for supreme consciousness. So you don't have to divide yourself. I'm a doctor, I've seen blood. It's not different for anyone. So these were just castes and all were made just to differentiate, just to make like you're playing a game and then you're making groups. Otherwise you're all children of God. So that awareness is what these saints give you. So being here actually motivates you to be very strong in your purpose of life, and you don't tend to look back because then the scare is gone. Otherwise, you thousand times you think, "Arey, you're trying to do such a big thing." My new party is giving a spiritual revolution. No one has ever talked about it. It's about the spiritual revolution, evolution of each and every soul of Punjab. Sant Rampal ji is working on spiritual evolution of each and every soul of the world on this planet. Once you are spiritually enlightened and you suddenly know that we are one, there is no America, there is no India, there is no Russia. We are there. Can you tell me your soul will leave your body and go where? It might go to England.
Correct.
Mine will go to England. I love England. So how can you say? From where are you born? Now we say Pakistan and India. Pakistan and India separated. We are brothers and sisters. Terrorism came up. Terrorism anywhere is bad. But people are the same. Same blood, same family, same houses, everywhere. Our children are settled in America. Don't you want them to feel that they are one with that country? So it is a free world. You can go and live anywhere. Has God restricted you? Has anywhere God has written that you can't go to this country, or you need to hate a country, or by compulsion or by scaring someone you can take someone something away from that country? That just means you're not spiritually evolved. So I think all these big leaders like Trump and all, they need to. I wish Sant Rampal ji could gift his books to Trump, and he would understand what these people are doing to Italy, to Iran, so that they understand we are all one. And by destroying each other, we'll not be happy. It'll bring sadness to so many lives. He is giving happiness to so many lives. You are giving sadness to so many lives. Who has given you the right?
Thank you.
God has not given you the right to even hurt a single soul, even by your words, not by your actions, not even by your words, you can hurt a soul. So, this is what people should understand and work on a spiritual path and a spiritual journey. Coming here strengthens my motive, strengthens me, gives me the confidence to go out into the world and say, okay, yes, I'm working for a spiritual evolution. Wherever I'm wrong, please, I love people who are my critics. Please come and correct me. My only purpose is to make each and every soul happy.
Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is also trying to decrease the effect of this Kali Yuga, as we can also see that there are a lot of conflicts going around in the world. So right now we are in this Satlok Ashram Commando Punjab, and Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj ji has organized this 3 days event in which Sant Garibdas Ji Maharaj ji's Vani is also being recited. Communal meeting is being all this has been set up over here. So Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is trying to bring peace again in this world. So what's your thoughts on this?
That's what I said. That is what will help to mankind. That is this consciousness, or this whatever he's trying to convey to us, if it is conveyed to each and every soul, that day it will be Kalyug to Satyug. It will not come from anywhere. It's just about a evolving soul who realizes that we are not separate, we are one. And if at this moment all of us realize that we are one, we are not here to harm each other, we are here to serve people, we are here to sacrifice our lives for people, that day it is Satyug. So that is the conversion. So it's not about these 3 days. It is about the books you are going to take and read. It's about the CDs and his discourses, what these people listen to. You can ask children, small children who in school wouldn't even know certain major things, but they know that all of us are one. There is no religion. Now, can you tell me even what's happening in India? You're dividing on the basis of religion. Why are you talking about caste? You talk about youth, you talk about elderly, you talk about giving jobs to everyone, you talk of happiness, freedom of speech, freedom to walk around, freedom of being a woman. Why are you talking about reservation and all? Why not 100% for women? Let the men work. I say 100% reservation for women. Women are much better souls than men. So if I say that, why should you talk about it? Anyone who's deserving deserves to be on the chair. It might be a woman, it might be a man. So you shouldn't differentiate, whatever. And this caste has this much of population, so you do this for this 38% population, and you have done it. So rest are also yours. How can you divide? Think about everyone alike. The merit has to be honored, and the day the merit is honored and it is placed at a higher level, children will start studying. What is important is, are you feeding people? Are you giving them water? Are you providing them with food, basic amenities? Are they happy? So I work on the happiness quotient. If a country or a state is happy, then you are happy. Otherwise, you won't be happy. So you ask people, are they happy? It's not about what I'm doing for people. It is about they telling us. Now, people over here, they'll tell you we are happy. Why? Because you are connected to Sant Rampalji. He has motivated us in our life. And at this very small age, we realize everything which a person might not realize even in his 84 lakh, 84 lakh Junis. So he is telling you very properly, teaching you very properly, one soul, one body, which is not permanent. Soul will stay. Work on the soul to merge with the Supreme Consciousness and know that we all are one. And that's what we are here for.
Sant Rampalji Maharaj Ji has also started Annapurna Mohim, through which a lot of people are being provided clothing, shelters, medicines. Even they're being provided by the houses. So how do you thank him for doing this much for the people?
I come here every time just to thank him. Even at home, I keep thanking him because there are people like who are giving hope to people. Otherwise, people have lost hope. They are in a way that no one's bothered. Not even your family is bothered. Have you eaten food? Have you roof over your head? No one's bothered. If someone's bothering about you, it is such a... you go and ask them, no? What a feeling it is. So this is what is wanted. Nothing else. So rather than building 10 houses, can you make one house for poor people who don't have a shed to stay in? So that's what I'm saying. All the political leaders are not even 1% of what spiritual leaders are. They should just go for a spiritual evolution journey. They should just be sent to the saints, ask them to be there and serve like them, and then when they are ready, they should be sent back to do politics. Otherwise, it is no good having them. They are destroying the nation rather than doing something good. Might as well not have these politicians, such kind of politicians. You should have only spiritually evolved politicians who understand the meaning of being one with everyone. So that is what these people are giving.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.